they've come out and they're playing and they're competing.
But they look fit.
And they're playing with a mission.
Here is another cross inside, and it falls to the foot of one of the Curacao players. It's goal! Well. That means that MONTSERRAT, they're in dire straits.
But yeah, they've given up a goal. They haven't been able to. They weren't able on the occasion to clear the ball, and the good control by the player. Who's it? Number 7? Was it?
Yeah. Well,
no, I don't think it was number 7. I think it was
the defenders running into the to the attacking third of the field into the box and have some support coming.
Well, here we see MONTSERRAT now intercepting. This is number 19. Number 19 gets it. Here is number 23. Number 23 has played hard in this quarter. Here we go. Number 23 is up. He crosses the line. Let's see. Yeah! Goal! Substitution Miller. Well. And that was the extra pass that you spoke about earlier.
Thank you.
And that one went in. That time it went in. I did tell you all, goals are coming, because that end of the field is all about goals. So Curacao will have to be stout. They will have to be strong to stop the flow of goals, because MONTSERRAT showed on the other end that they were willing to attack and get it close, and they got a lot of opportunities. So Curacao now, they're on the back foot. MONTSERRAT still has some work to do, but Curacao, they would want to think that if they can hold MONTSERRAT even to 1-0, they will walk away. Curacao player said, get out. Get out of here. Here's another cross inside. Well control. It could be a goal. MONTSERRAT has scored. Wow. Well, the benches have cleared. I don't know if we're going to get a yellow card, a red card, or what kind of card, or all sort of card.
Yes,
but something is going to happen.
The referee's coming. The referee's coming. He's going to issue a card to the
They got to calm
on. The guys need to get back to the bench. They need to get back to the bench.
MONTSERRAT has scored 2-1. 3-all.
3-all. Yes.
3-all.
Right now everything is all tied up and the game is
for grabs. Gentlemen, it's down south. Down south. I don't want to say
I don't want to say it, but I don't agree with you, Berkeley, but I want you to be right.
Oh, thank you. Poetic justice. I like it. I'm telling you, this game is on. The game is on.
Yes.
2-1, and if MONTSERRAT, and it's touch out of bounds. That bad playing there by number 4. Number 4, it gets it up quickly, and it's a Again against the runner play. McDonald is not happy. Again against the runner play. As I said, week C, that is like a dagger.
But that's a dagger, and that was and just to take the foot off the gas, just like.